is AirCrete? Well, chances are, if you're watching this video, you most likely already have some sort of idea as to what AirCrete is. And you can find a lot of that information on tinygiantlife.biz, and you can find a video course which will teach you everything you need to know, and you can build your own house with AirCrete. Or you could come to one of our workshops. We do AirCrete workshops, which allow you to see things in person, how things are built. How do you put an air conditioner in? What should I do for the electrical system? Once you decide you want to build your house. How big can I make it? What kind of shape can I make it? Does it just have to be a dome shape? No, it doesn't. It doesn't have to be a dome shape. It could be anything, whatever kind of shape you like. Our workshops teach you how to do that. It teaches you and allows you to have hands-on experience. So maybe something goes wrong, and instead of panicking and calling somebody and being like, what the hell? Oh, I don't know what to do. Or just, being stressed because you don't know what to do. Our AirCrete workshops allow you to be able to have the hands-on experience and build it. People that think like you do or like the same things you do, who love K-pop. I got to share the things that I love at the workshop. I got to meet new people. So come to one of our AirCrete workshops. You can go to tinygiantlife.biz and purchase either the video course or a ticket to our workshop, which is in the link below down in the description.